A little nonsense is what I need. Now if you wanna get the best of me, got you smiling, that's for sure. Funny how you had the best of love. I don't know if I'll make it home. I don't know, not like I care. All I know, sound of disco. Only know I want the best of us. So
Cole, aka Sister Cole, and how are you guys doing? I hope that you had a beautiful, wonderful, prosperous day. You know what we like to do over here, my beautiful, blessed family. I like to shop. I like to do hauls, product reviews, cook, clean, you know, a lookbook. Yes, over here, baby, I just life. That's what I do, I life. And if this is something that you feel that you would like, go ahead and hit that subscribe. Yeah, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Share me out if you must, okay? Let's get into this video. This is what I wore to work today. This dress right here was from my H&M haul. And I got these Jordan 1s for my birthday. So I said, you know what? I want to be comfortable. All right. So what I did was I just put the ones on with the dress, and I feel that it was a really cute look. What do you guys think? I was very comfortable, yet it was very stylish. It was very cute. Here's the dress from the back. Okay. And then here it is from the front. It is so cute, right? So today, it was a little chilly outside, but I didn't want to wear a coat. That's just how I am. I can't take coats. They're just so big. They're just so bulky. They make me hot. I mean, I put them on when it's really cold, but I'm driving to work, so... But when it's cold, I'll force myself to put on one. So this is what I did because it was a little nippy, okay? So let me show you what I did. All right, so I put this scarf on. Look at this scarf, you guys. It's so soft. It's so pretty. Guess where I got it from? 5 and Below. Yes, ma'am. 5 and Below. I got so many compliments on this scarf. It's so cute. So I put this scarf on today, okay? Especially early this morning when I was leaving out because it was a bit cold. All right. So I put this on. Hold on, me. Do it this way. All right, because it was a bit nippy. So I put this on, you guys. All right, and then here is my bag. And this is my bag that I carried with it. Come on, you guys, get into the look. You guys remember this bag? This bag right here is from Target. This is my favorite bag so far for the fall. I love this bag, you guys, from Target. It's a little furry. It's really furry. It's so cute. Look at it. And so this is like the whole outfit. Come on, y'all. Get into the look, honey. It is so comfortable. It's very stylish. It's really cute. It uplifted the dress because, you know, sometimes, like I was saying, these sweater dresses, they can look kind of homey, you know, can kind of date you or age you. So I just try to do little different stuff with them just to, you know, bring up the look. But I will not stop buying them because they're just too comfortable. Come on. They're too comfortable. So I'm not going to stop buying them. That's for sure. But I just gotta do little stuff. So let me give you guys a twirl again. Okay, and then here it is. So cute. This look, okay? Now these are a pair of loafers with a heel. The heel is about 2 inches, maybe 2.5, and they are Liz Claiborne's, okay? And then I have this bag. I got this from my auntie. She gave me this bag right here. I don't even know who it's by. It's vintage though. It's a vintage bag. It matches the shoes, you know, somewhat. I'm playing with browns. I'm playing with different color of browns, you know. Everything does not have to match, you understand? But it is in the same color wheel. And it's so cute, and I love that for me. I love that for me. Check out the look, honey. It is so cute. You guys like it? I love it. You guess what would look cute with this? Look. Where's my hat? Look. Okay. Y'all remember that brown hat that I got from Target? Look. Look, you guys. Going outside, running to the car. I got my hat on. Come on now. Come on. Let's see. Let's put on the scarf. We'll put the scarf back on with this look. Oh, it's cold outside. It's so cold. I've got to run to the car. Boom. Look. Yes, honey. Get into it. Uh-huh. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Bam. So how do you guys like this look? Do you love the look? Let me know in the comments. All right, so I ordered a pair of shades from Saks Fifth off of Saks off of Fifth? Yeah. So I ordered this pair of shades. I think that's what this is. So let's take a look and see. Yes. So these are Bottega Veneta shades, okay? Now, I've been trying to build my shade game up. Oh, what is this? Oh, a little voucher that they gave you. So I've been trying to build up my shades. All right. And it appears that I'm going to be able to do that because Saks off of Fifth, they just be having these nice little, the case is cute. Little triangular green case. I started my Christmas shopping. I'm late. Have you guys started yet? I'm not going ham this year. Usually I go so crazy with my grandbabies them and I just overdo it. It just be too much and they don't even play with half of the stuff. So I'm not doing it this year. All right, you guys. So here's the case. It opens up. Little nice velvet inside. It says Bottega on the inside. Okay. This is the little glass wiper thing that comes with it. The inside is like velvet feel, so the case is cute. That's very cute. And let's take out the shades. And the shades actually go with what I got on right now. Okay. They are like a, you could say maybe beige looking or yellowish. I'll let you guys see it. No, they wrapped them, boy. They got these glasses wrapped. Oh, these are so cute. It's kind of like a cat eye. So here's the color. It's kind of like a see-through yellow. Kind, and it's like a cat eye but squared on the top, but it still has like a cat eye look. All right, so let's see. Oh yes. Get into the look, honey. Come on, get into it. These are so cute. Yes, ma'am. These are so cute. How much did I get these for? Yeah, I'm gonna link it. I'm gonna link it below. Okay, all right. So yes, they were okay. The original price I believe was $430, and I believe I got them for $179. $179. That's what I got them for. So let's take a look at them again. They are so nice. They are nice. I love them. I absolutely love them. Can't wait to sport these. Okay, because this color right here will go with anything just about. And when I style them, when I wear them, I'm going to definitely let you guys see it. But, yep, those is it. Okay. Subscription with Scentbird, which is a perfume. They send me perfume every month, for those of you who don't know. So, this right here is the month of, I think this is November's. Yeah, this is November's, okay? And what I got this time, you can pick out perfume that you want to try, or you can allow them to just send you perfume, okay? And some I pick out and some I just allow them to send me. So they just sent me this right here. So this is called Homage Reflection. Homage Reflection. And the notes are rosemary, red pepper, neroli, jasmine, and vetiver. V-E-T-I-V-R, vetiver. Okay, so it says a foray amber, okay, debonair fragrance. Okay, a foray amber debonair fragrance, fresh, clean, floral, and very masculine. And I like masculine smells, aroma. That's, you know, that's me. I love that. Bold, very bold. And it says perfect for daytime, in the office, and suitable for the evening too. So that's the description on this. I have not smelled it yet, so let's take it out. Comes in a little pouch, and they sent me a white case this time, okay? And it just has Scentbird on it. All right, so let's just spray and see. Okay. This is kind of musky. Yeah, this right here is kind of musky. Ooh, it's very strong. So yes, I do smell the floral, the pepper for sure. And you know what? They're right. It is a very clean. The scent is very clean. It's very bold. It's strong, but it's crisp. It's very clean. And it's definitely for the office. You definitely can wear this to the office. And I say, even though it's bold, but it's crisp. It's very clean. So it's not something that will be so strong and everybody will be annoyed. It's not like that. But they will get a whiff of it, but it's fresh, it's clean, it's very nice. Very nice. So yes, I like this. Yes, I like it a lot. And I love anything that's going to stay on. Give me my money's worth, please. So I will get back. I'll check in and give you guys a report and let you know how long it stays. But as of now, my whole room smells like this, but it's not offensive. It's not offensive. And I love that for me. I absolutely love that for me. Let me tell you. Oh yeah, and this is not a paid promotion. I wish it was. I wish I was collecting a coin, but this is not a paid promotion. All right, but I love to share. But you know what? By having this this subscription, I am banking up on my scents. I got scents for days. I got a whole year's worth. I have a whole jar full of this, and these are so perfect too, because when you're traveling, I can carry this, and it's the right size and everything, and I can put one in my bag if I'm going to work, so the size is very convenient. And like I said, honestly, I have a whole collection full. I don't even really have to buy perfume. All this I'm getting the sample every month. And it's a good size. It's a very good size. But I still buy. Because I'm trying to build my collection. But so you guys let me know about the outfit. What did you think about the outfit? And are you trying to build your perfume collection? Is your perfume collection built? Come on. Talk back to me in these comments, because you guys know I love to have conversation with y'all.
Love interrupted by tragedy.